So hello guys, I'm back with a new job update for you, and this job hiring is from Shell and it is a graduate program 2025. And if you look into the job locations, they are hiring for the location of Bangalore, Mumbai, Gurgaon and Chennai. So this was posted yesterday and we still have like 30 days left to apply for this role. And if you scroll down, you can actually see what is the requirement for this role. So they are telling that you require these things to join their company. You should have graduated prior the first day of Shell. So before joining, you should have got graduated from your degree. And also you must be in the final year of the graduation or graduated with a degree in bachelor's, master's or PhD from a recognized university within the less than 3 years of work experience. So basically the bachelor's degree means undergraduate, and the master's degree mean postgraduate, and PhD you all know what it is. You should have like less than 3 years of work experience, and you should have a good communication and interpersonal skill. And also they are telling that you should be an Indian citizen or a permanent resident, and also you should have a valid work permit for India. They have mentioned you should be in your final year or you should have graduated, right? And also you should have like the less than 3 years of experience. So like 2023, 2024 and 2025 graduates can apply for this role. And also if you have less than 3 years of experience, you can apply for this role. So that's the end of this video. I think this video is very informative for you. You can actually share this update to any of the college groups you have or to your friends who is looking for jobs. So if you found this video helpful, you should subscribe to our channel, you should like this video, and also leave it a comment about this video. And I will meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.